The ability to remember what a person sees or hears is a vital function of the memory, and this function of remembering is very vital to human living. Some people can recall easily while others don't. Is it an issue of gender or other factors? That is, do girls remember or recall better than boys? To answer this question, the students of the Department of Psychology, University of Jos, Nigeria, conducted an experiment on the influence of gender on recall. The participants were given some letters which are displayed on the screen, and they are asked to recall the letters. At the end of the experiment, the scores were computed, and we discovered that gender has no significant effect on memory recall. In other words, that you are male or female does not mean you will recall better than the opposite sex.
Memory recall is a very important element in human functioning. It's important because if we don't focus on memory, it means that, to put it in very simple terms, it means that the individual forgets himself. Time and memory are invariably linked variables. In order to function with time and in order to keep pace with time, memory must be a very good pair. So for us in psychology, since our focus is behavior, and since our focus is behavior of the human being, more importantly, then it means that we have to focus on this all-important element or phenomenon called memory. And if we focus on that, it means that we have to make sure that all the issues surrounding memory are put in proper perspective. Particularly so if you are talking about the recall. Recall has to do with retrieval, isn't it? Recall has to do with calling into existence, into your mind, those things that you have had an experience with. And therefore, for human behavior, it is also linked to survival. Because if you are not able to recall those things that you have had contact with, then survival is lean, and survival is very, very threatened. So, memory recall is very important.